How to use Instacart alcohol delivery. First of all, go ahead and launch the official application of Instacart on your device, which you can find from the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. But in my case, I'll be using the web browser. Now go ahead and open web browser of your choice. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Now tap on that search bar, then head to the official site of the Instacart. Once you're here, all you have to do is you should be able to find this navigation bar right below the search bar. Scroll until you find the alcohol option over here. Simply tap on this and you will find a long list of stores that sell alcohol. Now simply head to any of these stores and then you will find a long list. Go ahead and then simply tap on this plus icon to add this alcohol to your cart. Once you add it, all you have to do is tap on this cart icon, which is green box on the bottom. From here, head to checkout or proceed to checkout, add your payments and place your order. And that is how you can use Instacart alcohol delivery. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.